Coming this March, Join the Party is arriving in a city near you. Hold on to your dice, hold on to your bones. It's the Rolling Bones Tour. 7 cities, 10 days, March 21st to the 28th. Your favorite podcasts, Join the Party and Spirits, are performing live. Come see us, Seattle, March 21st at the Hereafter, Minneapolis and the surrounding Twin Cities area. March 22nd at Grenada, Chicago, March 24th at Reggie's, Boston Kid, March 25th at Rockwell, New York City, best city in the world, March 26th at Littlefield, Philly, home of Gritty, March 27th at City Winery, and DC. Taxation without representation, March 28th at Atlas Brewworks. Get your tickets at jointhepartypod.com/live. That's jointhepartypod.com/live. That is where you can get all the ticket links and find the city that's closest to you. Come see us, Join the Party and Spirits. I'll be there with this voice. When you're rolling the bones, your future's looking good. See you out there.